Hello and welcome to today's Hints and Tips video. I'm Colin Evans, a Senior Applications Engineer for Solid Applications. Today we're going to be looking at detailing mode for opening drawings. Have you ever requested a drawing from a customer that you know has SOLIDWORKS, only for them to send you the drawing only without the files or the parts or the assembly associated to it, and when you open it up you get that old message, you get a quick preview of it and then unable to locate the files, and it gives you the option to suppress all missing files, and before you know it your drawing has just got empty views, all the annotations fell off completely. Today's hint and tip is to show you a way on how to overcome this problem. Let's close down this file. So close the file, don't save it. The default option when you're opening a file for a drawing is in resolved mode. This time what we're going to do is change this slider from resolved mode into detailing mode and click open. This will load the file up and it'll allow us to carry on adding annotations to the drawing. You can see if we look at the tabs, we can add detail views, break views, crop views, whole call outs, geometric tolerancing, blocks, revision tables and so on, and all sorts of different types of annotation that we can add. There are some limitations, so if I come up to this blue bar up at the top and click on view limitations, the only limitations is adding standard views in the view from the view palette over here. That's the only limitation up to press. You can use detailing mode as well for opening large drawings quickly. This file here will open it up in detailing mode, and you can see it opens in a matter of seconds. This large assembly has got multiple drawing sheets on here, which loads up really quickly. This is ideal if we want to make minor changes or edits to the drawing of large assemblies or drawings with many sheets, configurations, or resource intensive views. I hope you enjoyed this tip of the day. Thanks for watching.